Alright guys, today I'm going to show you the steps to washing towels and your clothes. The first step is to take your dirty clothes and put them in the laundry machine. And since I have towels, we're going to do a specific wash. So I put the towels in the wash. This is my first step. I don't close the lid yet. Then I go here and put in 1 scoop only for each load. So I'll just get a little bit of laundry detergent and pour it in. Just like that. I'll put it back, close the drawer, and the lid. My second step is to do the wash temperature. Now since we're doing towels, I'm gonna change it to hot. My third step is a load size. It's about a medium size, so I change it to medium. I always wanna have an extra rinse. And for the cycle selection, I turn it, I want that, see that little arrow right there? That white arrow? I'm gonna go to normal. And then my very last step to start it is to pull it out. And those are the steps to doing the laundry.